Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to screen mirror your iPhone to a Samsung TV using the few easy methods that I'm about to show you in this video. So one of the easiest method for you to basically screen mirror your iPhone to Samsung TV is by using the Apple AirPlay. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to make sure that your iPhone and your Samsung TV both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then on your Samsung TV, you just have to go to the settings. Inside the settings, you just have to go to general. Then when you are inside the general, you just have to simply look for the option of Apple AirPlay settings. So make sure that the Apple AirPlay is turned on. So this particular option should be turned on. Now you just have to open the control center on your iPhone. Over here, just tap on the option of screen mirroring and select your smart TV, which is your Samsung TV from the list. After entering the AirPlay code shown on the TV, your iPhone screen should appear instantly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.